All right, so welcome back to another video. What we're going to be doing today, I know last video we talked about next up being this Postgres and installing Postgres and getting our API served. I wanted to actually do something a little bit different because we are going to need that. And that is right now, if you'll notice, we try to sign in and we can't sign in with our app. And there's two reasons for this. Number one, Google doesn't actually recognize this buildingstreaks.com domain at all. And so we need to add our server to Google Auth. I kind of have it in both places here. And then the other thing we're going to realize is that we can't use, we won't be able to add our domain and get it to work without actually having SSL or TLS, this HTTPS stuff working as well. So we're going to get both of those things added. And we're going to do, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our Google Cloud, and we're going to go to credentials, and we're just going to add our new domain to our project. So it helps if I'm using the right account. So we go to credentials, and here's our streak tracker project. And so right here, we're going to be doing the same thing, except we are going to be using HTTPS. And we're going to have a redirect there. Let me move the out of the way. And so that looks good. Now we want to add this right now because like they said, it might take up to 5 minutes. So while that's going in the background and they're getting that propagated where we're going to be able to use this, so we'll see, we still can't get here. We're still not seeing anything. The other thing we need to do is we want to get this not secure stuff fixed. So what we're going to do is, this is actually really easy to do. We're going to use Let's Encrypt to get started. So we're just going to ask ChatGPT how to get TLS, or how to get, we'll just say HTTPS working with Let's Encrypt and Nginx fresh config. So we're going to be using this certbot thing that I've used one time prior. So let's just go ahead and we'll install that while it's running. Oh, we don't need me to be that big. And so let's just get this running in the background. Oh, we do need to press yes on that. So we're going to install our dependencies. Then we're going to have to go in and we are going to add both of these domains. Just press OK here. OK, OK. Okay, so that's running. Now we are going to do our buildingstreaks.com as well as buildingstreaks.com. And let's actually check something. If we do www.buildingstreaks.com, so this is bringing us also to this building streaks. And it's interesting that it redirected us. We actually need to modify enter our email. So we'll just do clintonbuilds.com. Whoops. clintonbuilds@gmail.com. Yes, we agree. I've already done this, so I'm not going to worry about getting another. Putting my email again. Okay, so that's actually already set everything up. What we also want to do in our file is, so let's go ahead and check if this is, if we just go to buildingstreaks.com, we are now encrypted. So we are using HTTPS, you can see here. And the other thing I wanted to do is, let's actually go into let's go VI, and my connection is being really slow right now. VI, etc. Nginx sites available. We want to do buildingstreaks.com. Let's modify this, and we are going to actually add our server name. And we're going to put both of these. I believe this is, we can just provide both, buildingstreaks.com. And if we reload, I think, so okay. So now if we do www, that is secured. And if we are at our regular thing. So both domains are now working. And oh, we're actually, okay, so this is saying signed in as this. So we can actually test this now. This was not loading before. Now if we load in, here we go. We've actually loaded in, logged in using our Google account. We can sign in, sign out, and we are on production. So that's actually going to be it for today's video. Pretty short and sweet, but really powerful stuff. We're actually using Google in production, getting our getting logged in, and we're even using we're having a secure connection and stuff like that. So hopefully you got a lot out of this one, and this was actually kind of a major roadblock for me. Just how do you get a certificate and stuff like that? And this is actually really easy with the way we're doing it here. So with that said, I will see you in the next one.